For your health tonight, as more and more people are returning to pre-pandemic norms, COVID-19 surging again. It's not nearly as bad as it was last year at this time, but there are concerns about a new variant that is emerging. Our KRON 4's Dan Kerman reports.
A surge in summer travel is just one indication many Americans have returned to pre-pandemic activities. Unfortunately, COVID-19 is also back on the rise in the Bay Area, California, and many spots across the country.
We're seeing increase in emergency room visits, but we've seen that for a few weeks now. We're seeing an increase in hospitalizations by about 20%. We're even seeing a slight increase in deaths, although we're starting off from a relatively low place.
Experts say there are several reasons the numbers are going up.
Our immunity is waning from our last boosters. For many people, it's been a year. For a lot of people, it's been much more than a year. So immunity does wane. Another reason is that a lot of Americans have decided the pandemic's over and acting accordingly. That is, not taking any precautions. And that's allowing the virus to spread with much greater facility.
With the new vaccine not due to be released until the end of next month, infectious disease experts say those most at risk, those who just want to avoid the risk of long COVID, and those who want to avoid COVID altogether, need to take extra steps to protect themselves over the next several weeks.
At the minimum, older than 65 immune compromised, I think it's a good idea to mask in crowded indoor settings, in public transit. For everybody else, I think it may be a good idea because the cases are still going up.
In the meantime, the Centers for Disease Control is warning an emerging variant BA.2.86 has more mutations than previous variants, and that may make it more capable of causing infection in people who've previously had COVID-19 or have received COVID-19 vaccines. But medical experts say at this point, it's still too early to say.
We don't have any idea how many cases there are of this. We haven't identified more than a handful. We're not doing enough surveillance to really know, but it may be something that's just a flash in the pan and doesn't amount to anything. So I certainly am not panicking about this, but it's certainly something we're very interested in keeping a close eye on.
Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.